We are happy to announce that HYBRiX 2.1 broke its previous 8 hours and 10 minutes record with the longest flight of a hybrid multirotor up to date, a new world record of 10 hours and 14 minutes. Before this attempt, many improvements were made to HYBRiX. For example, we partnered with Loweheiser company to integrate the smallest and most efficient fuel injection system in the market. And our technical team performed some upgrades on the propulsion system that proved critical to achieve this milestone. For this mission, Quaternion took off at 8:20 in the morning with a full tank and landed at 6:34 in the evening. This was enough to break the latest world record by 20% and reinforce Quaternion's position as the leader company of hybrid technology.